Hi children, this is your Anamika ma'am, and in this video today I will deal with article writing, which comes in question 2 part A of English language paper 1. It comes in 20 marks children up till now. 16 marks are to be awarded for the content and 4 marks are for linguistic ability. So let's see how to write an article. So what is an article? Article is a written work published in a print or electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, research, results, academic analysis or debate. The writing of an article, children, no doubt is a very tough work, but the student can master the art by practice. For writing an article, you should obtain the necessary information. And for this, a student has to read books, magazines and newspaper. And along with reading, he must have a sense of keen sense of observation. He must observe life around him in totality, like persons and incidents taking place in society. And in addition to reading and observing, he must develop the habit of thinking. And the other part is writing frequently. It is very necessary. In the beginning, you should start writing about some common objects, events, topic, and this will help you to master the art of writing. The word limit is 300 for article writing. Now see the format. Format is very easy. Nothing you have to do. At the top, heading or headline, or you call it title. At the top, you can write that. I have highlighted it also with red, you can see. And then body comes, which has 3 parts: introduction, content and conclusion. So first, headline or heading. First letter of every word should be in capital. It should be short and precise. Should encapsulate the central theme. Like for an example, I have given the heading: corruption, a rampant disease. Now see the body. The body of the article should consist of 3 parts: beginning, which I told you, introduction, middle and the conclusion. The beginning of the article should be striking, relevant and original. It should arrest the attention of the reader. Now see the middle, which has the content in it. The middle of the article should contain appropriate facts, figure, arguments and reflections. It should be developed logically and a proper link of each detail should be maintained. And now see the conclusion. The conclusion of the article should not be abrupt, vague and shabby. It must give the impression that you have said what you wanted to say. Conclude it by a sentence or a line that sums up the whole thing. Now see some points to remember how to write an effective article. So first is several paragraphs. An article should be divided into several paragraphs. Number 2 is each paragraph should deal with one point or argument. And third number, you see, each paragraph should have close connection with each other. Now see structure. The whole article should have a structure, which means that it should have, number 1, an attractive beginning, number 2, a coherent middle, and then number 3, a striking ending. Now see the style. Number 1, simple and elegant style. It should be. Then you see, don't indulge in verbosity and jargon. Number 3, you see, your article should be rich in vocabulary and contain what? No grammatical mistakes. Now see, how will you make use of the given information? Making use of the given information. Number 1, first of all, you should read it carefully. What is the demand of the question? This is must. Read it carefully. And then expand the hints into arguments. Now next you see research and planning. To write an article for a particular topic, children, you need facts, figures and data as per the requirement, children. And number two, you should collect this data from books or from magazines, newspaper or internet. Okay, then what you have to do, develop different points in different paragraphs. Now see, keep in mind coder. Coder, C stands for collect your idea. O, organize your ideas. D, draft first. E, edit the draft. And lastly, what you have to do? Rewrite the edited draft. Now see, in front of you is the question. Modern days are the days of the internet. You feel like writing an article on internet. A bane or a boon? For your school magazine, write an article in not more than 300 words using the notes given below for guidance. So these are the hints which you can use while writing an article. So what are the hints? Internet today, different uses, different fields, utility for the students, other fields, misuses. Now with the help of the hints given, you have to form your article. The same question, children, I have given in your assignment in the PDF also. So first of all, for this, you should have to give an title for it. So you can give different kinds of title to it. You can, for example, you can give internet, a bane or a boon. Now, when you will start the body, introduction is must. So for introduction, you will tell that the computer is one of the best inventions of the 20th century. Like this, you can start your introduction for the article. And then you will come to the content part, the middle part, in which you will tell about the different uses, the different fields, like nowadays how we are using this internet so efficiently, and even for your online classes we are using it. So you can give detail of it, how it is useful for the students, and for other fields you can write. And then in the middle part only you will write about the misuses. And then you will come to the conclusion, summing up, consolidation of your ideas, offering suggestions or solution, like some don'ts or do's you can suggest. When sample of article writing also I'll be giving you with in your PDF, and with the help of that you can write the question given for your assignment. Thank you. This much for today's class.